Hey guys, today I'm officially kicking off our gun bully segment on the Rock Island Armory VR80 12 gauge shotgun. You saw the last video that I put out. That was kind of a teaser, and look, if my lips don't work right, guys, it's in the 20s down here in South Louisiana. That's ridiculous temperatures for us. That's like humanity stops existing, probably around that freezing mark for us down here. And again, it's in the 20s, so my lips may not move properly. But again, you guys saw the video that I put out a couple days ago, kind of teasing the Rock Island Armory VR80 gun bully segment that we're going to be doing. It ended with me tossing my shotgun into the back of my pickup truck, where it has been for the last few days. Just trying to show some real world abuse of what people do with their firearms and they should not do. Now, a couple of things that I want to point out before we really get, I guess, knee deep into this segment. Safety is always going to be a high priority for me. The last thing I want to do is be doing what I do as much as I enjoy it and actually get hurt and do something stupid. Now, I'll have magazines that will be separate, that we'll put into the shotgun later on after we've run it through a series of abuses, and that's when we'll shoot it with actual live ammunition. Today, we're just going to do some of the basic stupid things that people do with firearms as far as abuse goes. Standard stuff that happens to most of us, or you've probably seen it done. The basic stuff. Guys, all that's somewhat basic abuse that we've all seen, right? I mean, I've done worse to my shotguns on opening day of duck hunting season, but will it still shoot? Sure it will. Any well-made shotgun is going to shoot, right? That's not going to be an issue with this thing. But to prove it, 5 rounds run through it. Next. Now it's time to ramp that abuse up.